Alright, so just making a little video here of this Factory 5 Roadster. This one is outfitted with an optional carbon fiber splitter. The guy has let me know that you're going to need a C5 donor car to get the engine, transmission, steering wheel, brakes, a few of the control arms, this and that, in order to supply everything that's needed. The car apparently comes with full interior, and you're going to take a couple of things from the C5, such as steering column, steering wheel, that kind of stuff. But they supply the tube chassis and the coilovers and this and that. You even use the mirrors off of the C5. Whoops, running into another car here. So this is basically like a build your own supercar. Excuse me, gentlemen.